Raise your hand if you're a gym owner. Nice. Raise your hand if you're an instructor at a gym. Nice. So, question was,
What kind of mistakes people make when they open their gym or run jiu-jitsu?
This is going to apply to all businesses, and especially applies to gym. Start small and let it grow. Don't go home from here and go, cool, dude, I love jiu-jitsu, I love it more than anything. I'm going to go and rent a 5,000 square foot space. I'm going to buy all these mats, and I'm going to open my gym. Because you don't know what the customers want. You don't know how many customers there are. So instead what you do is, hey, you put an ad out on Instagram, and you say, hey, it's Fred, I got some mats in my garage if anybody wants to come and learn. It's no investment. And then 2 people show up. Cool. You teach them the best you can. Hopefully it becomes 4 people. Hopefully it becomes 8 people. Hopefully it becomes 20 people. Now you rent a little space that's 350 square feet, and you grow that. And you keep doing that. It's what Pete did in the woods, right? It's what I did at Echelon Front. It's what we did with Jocko Fuel. It's what all these guys have done with their gyms. So start small and let there be a demand signal for growth. And you can save a bunch of money, and you can mitigate a bunch of risk. And that's what I would do. That's my advice.